Let's learn English practice with FaheemShaheen. English speaking practice tips and tricks with Faheem. Hello, welcome to the English speaking practice. Today we will explore how learning to speak English is like going on a journey. Every journey begins with a small step. For me, learning to speak English was not just about studying. It was about opening a new door in life. I did not have perfect grammar, and I did not know many words. But I had one thing, or desire to speak. In the beginning, I was afraid. What if I say something wrong? But then I realized even one word is better than silence. So I decided to begin slowly but with hope. My journey to speak English started with a dream. A small wish in my heart to understand the world better and talk to people from different places. At first, I felt lost. English was everywhere in movies, music, social media, and even at school. But I was too shy to speak it. I thought people would laugh at my mistakes. I stayed quiet in class. I understood some words, but speaking felt impossible. Then one day I was a simple English video. The speaker talked slowly and clearly. And for the first time, I understood every sentence. That day changed everything for me. I said to myself, if I can understand, I can also speak. I started small. I don't simple sentences in a notebook. Think like I eat rice, I go to school, or the sky is blue. I read them out loud every morning. I also practiced in front of a mirror. I felt silly at first, but it helped me feel more confident. I began to watch cartoons and beginner English shows with subtitles. I would post and repeat the sentences again and again. I turned my room into a small English world. Label on objects, sticky notes with new words, and books with pictures. Every new word for like a key to open a new door. My favorite part was speaking to myself. I would describe everything I did. I am brushing my teeth. Now I am making tea. I see a bird outside the window. This simple practice helped me think in English. I also started recording my voice. It was strange to hear myself speak, but it showed me how much I was learning. Slowly, I began using English with friends. I made mistakes, many mistakes, but I laughed, corrected them, and moved on. Nobody is perfect, and mistakes are part of learning. I created goals like learning 5 new words each day or having a minute English talk every evening. I spoke to my pet, to my pillow, even to my reflection. With time, my confidence grew. I read English stories out loud. I joined online English groups. I even tried writing short stories. English stopped being scary. It became fun like a game. Now I feel proud. I can speak in English. I can introduce myself, ask questions, and tell small stories. I still have more to learn, but I am not afraid anymore. My journey is not finished, it is just beginning. I believe that anyone can learn to speak English, no matter where they start. You just need patience, practice, and a little bit of courage. If I can do it, you can too. Start your journey today, speak one word, then one sentence, and soon you will be telling your own story in English. Today I am not perfect, but I am proud. Every word I speak is a sign of progress. Keep going, your English story is just beginning.